Okay, hands behind your backs. Here we go. Which hotel was managed by the comedy character Basil Fawlty? Yes.
Fawlty Towers.
Is correct.
Yes!
Oh my God! You know what? This is a great opportunity for you because under one of those umbrellas is $10,000 cash. It's just a matter of which one.
Okay. I'm nervous. I'm not normally nervous. I'm nervous. It's Grant.
So you think that one above you right now might have all the cash in it?
Absolutely. Yeah.
For $10,000.
Yeah.
See if it's there.
Show me the money. Did I win?
No.
No.
You won a wet T-shirt competition, that's about it. Bit chilly, is it? Bling. You could hang my jacket on those things.
Stop it.
Justin Timberlake brought sexy back to the charts, and Justin Trudeau brought sexy back to politics. Justin Trudeau is Prime Minister of which country? Lincoln.
Spain.
Incorrect, which means, Lisa, you get a crack at this question now.
Can't believe you didn't get that one.
You don't know it.
Germany.
Incorrect. Canada was the answer we were looking for.
You didn't know.
I had no idea.
Another question. 5 rings feature on the Olympic flag. According to the song The 12 Days of Christmas, what did my true love give me on the 5th day of Christmas? Lincoln.
5 golden rings.
There's like absolutely no way you can answer that question without singing it. You know?
Golden rings. Yeah.
Which umbrella?
Alrighty, front and centre, front and centre.
Oh my gosh.
Righto, Grant. Here we go.
Now you look like Mr. September in Hot Tradie Weekly. Here we go. According to the old song, the thigh bone's connected to the hip bone. Who had a hit with Hips Don't Lie? Lisa.
Hips don't lie. Shakira. Shakira.
Now this is your chance to play for $10,000. Which umbrella's got the money?
Oh my goodness. $10,000. $10,000.
What does your gut instinct say?
Okay. Okay.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, this is the one. This is the one.
Go, go, go. Come on! Yes! I'm pumped now. I'm amped.
Next question. A polygraph test is used to help establish whether a person is lying. Hakuna Matata is a song from which Disney movie?
The Lion King.
No!
The Lion King.
You are right, Lisa.
Oh, how did I not get that?
Okay. All right. I'm going this one. It's this one. It's this one.
If you pull that handle, $10,000 in cash could flood from the sky.
Oh my gosh. $10,000.
Would it make a difference in your life?
Yeah, oh my goodness, I just got engaged to get married. So I would just get our life started to the most amazing start.
All right, just pull the umbrella already. We're here.
All right. Please, 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 please,
Congratulations, you got $10,000!